So this year we had a great opportunity to work with 5 companies, very different companies with very different projects. We invite students, so students that have a fresh look, to have a look at this problem and come with a creative idea how to solve the problem presented.
The case we defined was to trying to solve a problem we have a longer time. DKE is a company which does the maintenance of various registers in the healthcare business. Everything we do at DKE depends on legislation and also looking if legislations are followed correctly. And in case of healthcare providers, there are several obligations for them, which is depending on the number of healthcare providers, so people who actually take care of other people, how much number of healthcare providers they have working.
I feel like it was a very real world scenario because we're actually working with someone that needs a solution, but it felt like working in the real world with like the cushioning of DKE.
I think this collaboration between students and companies is very beneficial for actually both sides.
And we find it, we thought it would be very refreshing to bring a new spirit and a new way of looking at a problem we tried to work on for several years, but always from some kind of tunnel. And we let them quite freely. We said, see how far you can come and come with an advice. And it was very inspiring because they started in a complete different way like we would do it.
So I feel like working with an actual problem really removes a lot of the cloudiness around tech companies because it's not that big of a deal. So yeah.
And I really appreciate innovativeness, creativeness of the students, and I see this is already the second year when I'm supervising or when I'm examining the student groups, and I'm always pleasantly surprised with how they are in what way they are finding designing the solution.